this is our system. The problem was with blowing the fuse. It was hard to define where was exact the short circuit. So the problem, we thought maybe it's a capacitor, but it's not. We checked the capacity and it's fine. But this thing was old. So if we will check the resistance in a relay, we can define it's fluctuating. So this is the low voltage, this is the low voltage issue, 0.1 kilo ohm. Here was 18 kilo ohm. So I put the Siemens relay and it started working. So this is the problem with the relay.